Jatend jotij piny owacho Felix Kosgei koro kone kamati mochung'ne nono kendo chiwo ne jatend piny mondo mi ong'won ne joketho ni mondo ne ni oluwore gi dwaro mar chik e kinde ma gitiyo tijno. Kosgei nolero ni bende ni kamatino obiro tim tijege e yo mahuyanga maonge geng'ruok nyakonchiel kinde duto. Jatelono nolero magi e kinde manoyuore nyasi mar sidho ayanga chenro mar Aput no ma higa 2024 nyaka 2028.
Pardon reintroduces somebody back to the community prematurely, because if you are supposed to be in the garros, you are not supposed to go back. If it was life, they would never see you again. If it was many years, so the president, through his graciousness, gives mercy, and then you are reintroduced prematurely into a community. This comes with a lot of stigmatization.
Kila mfungwa iko na nafasi ya wale wanaochunga waangalie mambo inaitwa youth sport, alafu sasa ijulikane kama mtu kama amebadilika kitabia, kimawazo, alafu wataweka kwa orodha ya wale watu watapelekwa kwa rais, angalie kama atasamea au hapana kulingana na sababu zile zimewekwa hapo. Ya pili, tumesema kwamba lazima to digitize the process, petitions na kila kitu, ili tusipate watu hapa katikati wale wanaweza kuleta maneno yao ya mapendeleo au kitu kama hiyo.